How to log into Zoom. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can log in into Zoom. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up a browser and in the search bar type in Zoom. Search for it. Now navigate to the first link on your interface, that is zoom.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to log in, navigate to top right corner, click on the sign in button from this menu bar at the top. You'll be taken into sign in prompt. Here, in order to sign in, you have to enter the email or phone number that you have used while creating an account on Zoom. Or if you have signed in, or if you have created your account with one of this account here, you can continue with that account also. So here type in your email or phone number, then after that click on next, and on the next prompt you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in your password that is associated with your Zoom account, and once you have entered your correct login credential, you'll be logged in into your Zoom account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.